Today, I want to show you how to take out a fence post using a tractor jack. So this jack, there's a lot of places on the internet that I've seen this done. They use the jack with a small piece of a 2x4, and then they use these bolts that they drill through. The bolts are about ½ an inch, and the holes are just a little bit wider. That way they can easily go in and out. Now what I'm doing is I'm using these bolts and I'm securing it to the post with this 2x4, and then it's supposed to act as a brace for the tractor jack to get up underneath, and then it basically just lifts the whole thing up. And here's where you can see the ground line was. So I've pulled it out enough so far so I can show you just how effective this is, and I'm going to give you a taste of what it looks like on the other side. Here are the end of those bolts. They're pretty strong. They do bend a little easily, so you might see some trouble down the road if it's not in all the way. So make sure it goes all the way through, and it should be pretty good. I'm gonna have you watch me as I finish the rest of this one. It's pretty tough. There's concrete in there. My mistake. Is it even moving? Whew. Dang. Nice. How deep that sucker was in there. Man. Well, that's that, and let me do the rest of them. Woohoo! Hey, hope you enjoyed that. My name's Kurt, and I like to do stuff just like that all the time. Little projects here and there. If you enjoy that sort of thing, you definitely want to subscribe, and remember to like the video as well. Let me know down in the comments what you guys would like to see next. I got a lot of other things planned, so it should be good times. Later, guys.